Hi, in this quick demo, we're going to see how you can use OPA for expense approval use cases. In this particular case, what we'll see is an end user submitting an expense report via receipt, whereby they don't need to type in all the information of the receipt manually. Instead, we'll use OCR to extract the text out of the receipt and use that extracted data as part of our process flow to send to our line manager for approval, or to decide whether to automatically approve the invoice or to update a system of record. And so really what this flow will do is it will accept the receipt from the end user. It will perform OCR on that receipt based on the total value of the expense. We're going to make an auto-approved decision. If it qualifies for auto approval, then it will bypass line manager approval. And if not, then we will route to our line manager to approve the request. Our line manager will be able to see not only the extracted data from the receipt as part of the expense report, he'll also see the attached images. And once they do approve, again, we'll actually push this data to an upstream system of record. Let's go into our workspace and play out this demo now. If we go into our workspace and we go to start a request, we'll see that in here, if we type expense, we'll see an expense report demo that's available, and we'll see a very simple form where you can put in some details about your expense report, the date, the cost center, and some name. And here you can actually attach a receipt. So in my case, I'm just attaching a very simple receipt with a number of line items. There's value associated with receipt total, date, and a merchant. So once I do that, the receipt will be uploaded to our process. And then on submit, we'll actually perform OCR on this receipt. Once OCR has extracted all the data out of the receipt, it will send it to our line manager for approval. So our line manager would come into OPA and they would navigate to the tasks. And here we go. There's an approved expense report task that's just been assigned to our line manager. They would open this task and they would see a form in here whereby they see the expense report details from the request. They see an image of the receipt that was submitted, as well as the extracted data that's formed the expense report payload. And they can review this. If they want to, they can reject it, which will send it back to the requester to make any edits. But in this case, I can just approve this request. And so once the request is approved, it will actually update our system of record. So that's it, a very quick demo to show approval flow. Thank you for watching.